Hello and welcome back to another Cookie Tech video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can make your very own day to night cycle. So before we get started, I'm going to head into test mode where I'll give you a quick example on what we'll be making today. I'm just going to speed up the animation so it doesn't take you so long to watch, and so you're just going to see it turning from night to day or day to night, and you can see the animation is going to be really smooth. And that's basically the day to night cycle. So as you know, I sped it up really fast there so you didn't have to watch the entire thing, but you can customize this so you can have a 1-minute day to a 20-minute day. So let's head into a brand new Roblox Studio instance where I'll show you how to make this yourself. Luckily, it's super simple and it's going to be super easy to set up. Okay, so here we are inside of our brand new Roblox Studio instance, and to start off we're going to click on the base plate button. So in the UK it is pretty hot right now, so I'm sorry for the lack of uploads, but it's really hard to work when you're sweating and the computer's running super slow because it's hard to cool down in the heat. So everything in this recording may be a little laggy, sorry for the inconvenience, but there's really not much I can do about that. But now we are inside of our Roblox Studio instance, we're going to start off by making a script. So this script will have to handle the clock time inside of lighting. So for some weird reason, inside of a Roblox game, there is 20 hours of a day. So if we filter through the properties and have a look at clock time, you can see that there's 20 hours and the slider will reach the max. Wait, is there 24 hours? No, there's not. Actually, there is. Okay, that's good to know. There is 24 hours. Strange. Okay, so as you can see, we can play around with the time, and it will change how the day looks. So we're just going to set this to 14.5, that's the default. Roblox doesn't set it to 12, so you actually have a bit of shadow in your game. It just makes the game look a little bit nicer. And then we're going to keep it like that, and we're going to create a brand new script inside of Roblox Studio. So we're going to head over to Server Script Service, and we're going to click plus, and then in here we're going to make a script. Now I'm going to call this day/night cycle. After this, we're going to have to create a few variables, and then we can follow the tutorial from there. So first of all, we need to handle the thing that we're actually trying to edit, and that is the lighting service. So we can get the lighting service by just saying local lighting equals game get service and then lighting. And you can see now we're getting this little thing we just looked at. And now we need to get the Tween service. So the Tween service will allow us to make really smooth animations, and that means we can move the sun around the earth really smoothly. So we're going to say local Tween service equal game get service and then Tween service. Now we need to create a few variables. I accidentally took that bracket with me. And now we're going to say local day length. And now the day length is going to be in minutes. So I want my day length to be 20 minutes. So I'm just going to put a comment with the double dash, and we're going to say in minutes. And now we need to calculate how many seconds there are in a day. So we know that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. And we know that our day is 20 minutes. So we can use a simple calculation to work out how many seconds there are in the entire day. So we can say local day length in sec, so short for seconds, and we'll say day length times, which is the asterisk symbol, which is shift and 8 on your keyboard, and then we're going to times that by 60. Now we need to work out how long we need to wait for. So we need to say local wait per value equals, and then day length in sec. And now we know that there are 24 hours in a day, we're going to divide by 24. Now we're going to do while wait, and basically how this loop works is it'll wait for a certain amount of time and then it'll take out the action. So let's say while wait per value, and then we're going to say do, And next we're going to say local next value equals. Now we need to work the next hour that we need to tween to. So we're going to work out the clock time if it were an hour ahead. So to do this, we can say the current lighting.clock time plus 1. So we're going 1 hour ahead. Next, we're going to have to create our tween. And this will basically be a small animation that moves the sun. So we can say tween service, create, and now we're going to say lighting. And so now we're creating a tween on the instance that is lighting that we defined above. Now we need to create tween info, so tweeninfo.new, and this will tell our animation how to work. So first of all, it wants to know how long it should play the animation for. Now luckily we already defined a wait per value above, so we're going to say wait per value. Now we're going to say to the animation what easing style we want to use. Now the easing style is how the animation is played. So if you want the animation to speed up, reach a peak, and then slow down, we'd use enum.easingstyle.quad. But we want the animation to be smooth the entire way. Because of course, you know the sun, it doesn't speed up and then slow down. It goes around at the same speed. So we're going to say enum.easingstyle, and then we're going to use linear, and that means the animation will run at a consistent speed. Now, the animation actually needs to know what it needs to change. So we're going to put in these squiggly brackets, clock time, yep, that's the one, equals next underscore value. And great, we created this animation. Now there's an issue, we're not playing this animation. Luckily it's super easy to play the animation. We're simply going to press colon, and then we're going to say play. And now that's going to play the animation. So you can save it if you want to by pressing Alt-P on your keyboard to publish it, or we can just give it a quick test. Now, because I want this test to go super fast, I'm going to put day length in minutes as 1. So this means the day will be exactly 1 minute long, and then I'll publish or commit the changes if I want to. And now let's just test it out by pressing the play button. Okay, and here we are inside of Roblox Studio. You can see the sun's moving super fast because of the 1 minute day. Up rises the moon. If we have a look at lighting, you can actually see the clock time going up live. And it's been a day. And then it will continue. And that's basically it. So if you have any scripting errors, or you have any questions or errors, just feel free to head over to the forums.thecookie.dev, where myself or another person will help you with any scripting issues you have. And that's all from me. Thank you for tuning in today, and bye bye.